back. So we got connection for a little bit. Welcome back, folks. Here we're having some connectivity issues. We apologize, although we have no control over that. Blizzard will start the second period on the penalty kill. Minute 36 left in North Scott's penalty. Miners up 3-1 from the first. Laramie gets the puck in deep. Oh, McKenzie with it. Laramie now. Stop. In deep. Again, they do a good job of setting up the play. Slapper there onto their own guy. Looks a little painful. And Laramie's got the puck. Oh, Kasler falls.
That's an icing call.
The player missed with the pass. Zuev on the point and Heidi on his right. Miners are up with it through center ice. Setting up. Nice read by Drew. Oh, a lot of players falling early on. I'm not quite sure what has to do with ice conditions. Or they all just walked over some gravel on the way to and from the dressing room. We hope not. Miners back in with it. 14 seconds left in the power play. Gunther, Zuev pressuring. Back to the point. Ooh. This play just took a little bit too slow to develop, and Stott is out. Penalty over. Really struggling to get it out here after this penalty expired. Zuev to Stott, and it's out. Got a piece of it with his skates. Oh, nice pick up by Zuev. He's got 2-on-1. He got Chabot. Oh! He tossed over the stick. Oh, and Zuev got
that. Looked unnecessary.
Yeah. Oh, some high hands there, but refs are letting that go.
It's like number 16's looking for.
It's a good way to answer the physical play is put the puck in their net. Was Zuev still on the ice at that point? I think so, right? Or at the oh no, Miggy has
was 9-6.
9-6.
Twisters was 9-6. Oh wow.
Oh, so high scoring game. All right, Blizzard with their second goal. Waiting for the announcement. Oh, and the penalty. Number 16, who did seem to be heated up about something.
Miners actually beat the Twisters 9-6 this morning. Earlier I had said it was 9-4.
Blizzard go on the power play. Thiessen and Zuev on the point. Thiessen up with it.
Blizzard goal scored by number 97. Ryder Chabot, assisted by number 10. Miguel Vandenbree. Time of the goal, 17-19.
The Miners clearing it down the ice.
King Miners penalty for number 16. Reed Jones, Canada Surratt.
Looking for his team partner. Almost got picked off. Good penalty killing by the Miners, keeping Blizzard deep in their zone. Chabot now. Oh, trying looking for the long feed to Misselbacher. And cleared back out of the zone. Thiessen on it. Oh, I'm not sure who that pass was to, but
Me neither.
tape to tape, but wrong color tape, I think. All right, Thiessen back with it. There he goes. We got Wolf up with him. Oh, Blizzard really struggling here again, turning it over in the neutral zone. 22 seconds left. McKenzie touches it. Bradley on him. McKenzie breaks it up. Bradley now. Oh, loses it in two guys. And that will do it for that power play. 0 shots that power play. Not one of the Blizzard's finest. Zielinski in on it. And he, wow, I don't know. He passed right through the legs of a Miner. And was looking for Drew. And it's out. Neither team really getting going right now.
Nick Thiessen's wondering who scored the second goal.
That was Jay Chabot.
Jay Chabot.
Yeah, what? Ryder Chabot would have scored that.
Jay in the stands?
Jay is actually here. So
Okay.
it wouldn't have been him. It
Nope.
definitely would have been Ryder. The offspring of Jay Chabot. Oh, we're in the slot. Laramie with a rocket in the slot.
Score is 3-2 for the King Miners. 14:39 left in the second period.
Gunther in to take his draw. We're down, but icing. And we'll do it over again. Gunther has Laramie on his left and Heidi on his right. Laramie covering, supporting, keeps it in. Gunther looking for Laramie, but gets kicked off. Wow, that was quite the shot. The shot from number 16. He's still heated up. Now he's walking with his stick.
Four 4-2 for the King Miners.
King Miners goal scored by number 16. Rick Stanley. Unassisted. 14-14.
Again, a player losing his edge. Heidi and Gunther on him. The speedy 22 brings it in. Thiessen working him over. Gunther supporting. But the Miners come out with it. And Perez or Zuev, I think he broke that one up. Back in and around. To Hyde. Thiessen. And out. Blizzard's got a chance to change. Kasdorf on it. Still with it. Yep. Oh, just past Nisselbacher and back into the Blizzard zone. Zielinski on it. Big number 20. Passed up through the slot and out. This little play there. The Miners, but they ice the puck. Looks like a bit of a set play, running some interference for a Blizzard player. Nisselbacher, Scott and Chabot, Vanendrift and Fraze at the point. Vanendrift pinching in. Nisselbacher with it, still with it. Behind the net. Miners take control, but not out. Nisselbacher takes a hit. Still working it. Scott comes in.
Fraze keeps it in.
Oh, Chabot, a nice quick little shot. Not a lot on it. Oh, 2-on-1 here. And Vanendrift breaks that one up. He hit his stick. Went wide. Wolf pressuring, allowing the Blizzard to get a change. Big stretch pass, but read by Thiessen. Unfortunately, he dumped it in just on the wrong side of the red line for icing call. Looks like we're maintaining our connectivity, which is good.
Yeah, it looks good on screen here. Full 4K. Not sure what it looks like in everyone's living room.
Okay, Wolf up with it. Skating. 22 all over him. Oh. Picked up again by number 22. McKenzie now after a shot into the shin pads, but too far for Wolf.
And an icing call.
Okay, Gunther in to take the draw. Gunther losing that one. Gunther with it. Thiessen pulling up. Back to Gunther. Oh, just over his stick. Gunther back to the point. Zuev. Back to Gunther. Laramie. Hyde breaking that one up. Laramie. Blizzard doing a good job keeping the puck in. Oh, Thiessen with it now. Oh, nice shot just high the net.
I think Papa Thiessen's going to be proud of that one. I mean, it could have gone in, but
yourself to get him to get that keep him a little lower there, Thiessen.
Yeah, maybe 3 inches would have done it. Oh,
Zhuev looked like he wanted to pop one himself. Nine minutes, 43 seconds left in the second period.
and we've got a goalie change. Aiden Boulay is coming in for Loudon King. That goalie change had nothing to do with Loudon's performance, by the way. That was decided ahead of the game that they're going to split today's game.
Up to Misselbacher. Randy dumps it in.
Oh!
And Aiden gets tested early.
Whoa!
Into the netting.
Yeah, it touched the ceiling.
The ceiling.
Yeah.
Misselbacher in to take the draw. And he wins it over to Taboli. Taboli dumps it in deep. Back to Sprays. Oh, and it's cleared out. Vandender's back to forward now. Sprays up the boards. Chips it out back to the center ice. The Miners will regroup and dump it in from.
Oh, Boulay making his presence known.
Did he welcome one of the Miners?
He did, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
welcome here.
gave him a little shove on the way by. Thiessen and Zhuev on the blue line.
Kenzie with it. Gathers it up. Tips it up to Bradley. Miners regrouping in center ice. Whoa! Post. A goalie's best friend, the post.
Oh! Nice work keeping it
Okay,
going offside.
He's got McKenzie. Oh! A couple great chances for McKenzie. My goalie shut the door. Zhuev leaves it in the corner. McKenzie on it. Clearing a blind pass through the middle with no one.
A lot of bodies.
A lot of bodies there. Oh, Laramie breaking up that pass. That could have been dangerous. There we go. And Wolf and Laramie are out. Oh, Wolf going for a change. Laramie coming up with it. Oh, McKenzie with it.
The score is 4-2. King Miners.
Okay, Mansdorf finishing, keeping it in. Ready. Oh, and icing on the cake. Chloe calling everyone to dance now. I'm not seeing anyone dancing actually. Not quite the dancing spirit. Yeah, we have a dancer right one row ahead of us. I don't even see her dancing. I think someone who dances 4 times a week wouldn't mind dancing one more time when she's asked to. Casbo's working it. There's Zelensky, last man, and back out. Guilherme to Gunther. Gunther. Oh, nice little snap shot. Good try.
6 minutes left in the second period.
Miners making a late change here. Gunther winning it back to Zelensky. Looking, passing it. Oh, a little bit behind his ski partner. Gunther, Laramie, Casper dumping it back in. Nice read by Hyde to break that pass up. We'll make a deep change. Vandendrift on it. Oh, right through the slot, right through, missed everyone there. Stott on it now. Tossing it out to Hyde on the far side. Shot by Fraze, up to Vandendrift.
Chabot just offside there.
Yeah. The ref didn't think that the kick in the skates was enough control by Misselbacher. Alright, Misselbacher, Chabot and Stott. Chabot on it. Miners moving around the boards. Miners send a lot of pucks kind of blindly into the slot. Most of the time they don't work out, but there's one time where it did. Came away with a shot. Misselbacher just nicely dumps it out. Good read by Zuev, pinching in, keeping it in. Scott now, oh, got his pocket picked. That's criminal. Low dumping it in, deep, going for a change. Decent back for it. Oh, loses it. Oh! It's a slow motion roller there, just about. Deep Poulet. Oh, things are really out of control. Wow, that was quite the sequence of events. Oh, Houston.
Houston with a hit.
Yeah. No, there we go. Now Dylan. Here comes Wolf. He's a little back on her. Oh! Got some post. Wonder if the sling helps the backhand velocity. It's adding 10% to the backhand velocity as well.
Probably a fraction of that 10% because of the curvature, right?
Yeah.
It'd be more difficult to curve it back. Concave? Convex? I don't know. You'd have to whip out the scientific calculator maybe.
Yeah, I forgot my abacus at home today, so. Alright, 2:52 left in the second period. Gunther in to take the draw. That was an
all alone.
almost like Gunther lost sight of the puck. It was quite a good scoring opportunity for the Miners. Zielinski now, up to Hyde. Over to Laramie. Coming in with some speed, back to Hyde. Pumping it in deep. Out to Zielinski. Oh, nice deflection, almost made it.
Breakaway.
I think Kasdorf saw the other man. A few more good saves there by Goulet.
Miners lead 4-2 with 2 minutes and 7 seconds left in the second period.
It is the draw, but gets out of the zone anyway. Vandenbrink. This is his pass to Fraze. Back on it now. Another Fraze. Tips up the Stott. Fraze now battling his man. Vandenbrink blocks that pass. Oh, right to Stott. Another no-look pass, I think, by the Miners. Wow. Whoa! And Stott wanted a new puck. He wasn't liking the feel of this one, so he just blasted it out of the playing surface.
Nick Thiessen says, get the puck on the net, number 19.
Ah, yes.
So, at our earliest opportunity, we are going to pass that message on.
Yep. Sometimes it's just that little bit of constructive criticism that can make the difference.
Exactly.
At least I'm told. Minute 15 left. Pass across to number 10. Oh, big save there by Goulet. Minute 7 left. Mackenzie, Bradley, Wolf. Stu, Evan, Thiessen. Mackenzie with the draw. Oh.
Thiessen doing a wonderful job of defending.
Wolf in on it.
Looking for the man in front.
Miners players there were able to get his hand on it. Oh, what a play! Really did not have number 20 tied up in front of the net. Great little pass from behind the net.
That puts the King Miners up 5-2. Change after that one, so it's easy to tally up all those negative ones.
Kasdorf. Zielinski with it. Up to Wolf. Knocked down by his man. 5-2.
second period to an end. We're gonna get shots on goal here.
It's gonna
Take a little bit of counting. We can mention it at the start of the third too. That's fine.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. We'll see you in about 10 or 15 minutes.